a 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited Sport that we just outfitted with a ton of Heise LED lighting. We have light bars everywhere. It doesn't matter where you're looking, it's gonna blind you or be safe off-road and whatever this customer may be using these amazing light bars for. So we got the 50-inch curved on the roof with the 4-inch or 3-inch cube lights on the pillars with custom brackets. There's those guys right there. And then we have the 14-inch Heise bars on the sides for side lighting for camping, hunting, off-roading, alley lights, whatever you need them for. And then we have another 50-inch curved Heise LED light bar on the back. So we also put a Heise brake light inside the factory spare tire to give it some extra flare. So that is not factory at all. That is the Heise LED brake light behind the spare tire and wheel right there, as you can see. And the coolest part, so there's another 14-inch sidebar right there. I'm gonna come back around to the passenger side real quick and show you the super cool Heise switch panel, 8-gang switch panel. And this Jeep interiors pops, man. It's got the red and the carbon fiber, and so we mounted this up there. That is the brand new Heise switch panel. You could do winches and light bars and really anything 12 volt, anything electrical whatsoever. We can control the interior lights. The bottom, as you can see, the lights are going on. The bottom's blank right now for this customer to add to in the future and expand it, and whether they put a winch on it or interior LED lighting like mood lighting or there's a million options. So that is nicely mounted in this factory tray on top of the dash of this Jeep. And like I said, this is a 2020 Wrangler JL Unlimited, and we'll get out and show you these bars on inside, and then we'll go outside. So yeah, you can't see. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around. There's the sidebars and the rear bar and the other sidebar, and then we're gonna pull this out and show you what it looks like outside in the dark. This thing lights up a well-lit installation bay with overhead LED lighting and high bay lighting, if you will. So this is another thing we can offer is off-road lighting, safety lighting. We do headlights as well on this build short, all wiring and fusing. We will post pictures on this build as well. I probably should have showed you under the hood. It's absolutely factory looking. We built aluminum fuse holder brackets. The bracket for the switch panel is a custom built bracket that we built in-house in our fabrication facility. There's that nice new Heise spare tire brake light. I can't see, the camera doesn't even do it justice, but there you have. Let's see, light up this tree over here. Look at that. Look at that. See how dark it is over there. We're gonna roll this down the street real quick. Don't forget, it's got the side lighting on it. That's absolutely insane. Insane, amazing. For those of you that are interested in the product we used on this build, we did the HEDR14s for the 14-inch side or alley view lighting, whatever you would like to refer to it as. 24 LEDs total, as it's a dual row bar. For the front cubes, we did the cube package by Heise, which is HECL22PK. For their new 8-gang switch pod, this is this guy right here, which is the HESWP8. Absolutely amazing piece right there. Of course, that's just the switch panel you saw in the video. The actual control unit that is fully water and mud proof is under the hood on the custom bracket we mounted. And then for the bars, we used these 50-inch Heise LED curve bars. Not even sure the number on these guys. Let's see. It is a HESR50 is the model number on these guys right here. And Heise lighting is absolutely great. So there you have the product that was used for the install. Oh, I almost forgot. We used the Metra, which is the company that owns Heise. LED spare tire light, 97 and up, JL, JKs, and TJs. That is the third brake light that we used for, or spare tire light that we used in this build. So we do anything and everything here at Soundwave Customs. If you have any questions, we are here Tuesday through Saturday, 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. You can check us out on all social media, of course, soundwavecustoms.com, or give us a call at 757-648-8888. Thanks again, as always, for checking this out. This is a build short brought to you by Soundwave Customs here in Virginia Beach, Virginia.